The number one best way to clean your tongue. Use a metal scraper. Thanks for watching the video. Make sure to subscribe, share, and just kidding. We've got a little bit more to talk about, but it really is that simple, people. Once you try it, you'll know what I mean. If you're wondering why you have constant bad breath, even though you brush and floss religiously every day, it could be the fact that you're not paying attention to your tongue. How necessary is tongue cleaning? To be able to completely get rid of halitosis, or bad breath, tongue cleaning is extremely necessary. According to several studies, it was found that the bacteria present on the tongue are equally responsible for the buildup of plaque and bad breath as the ones that are on our teeth when we don't brush. But to make it clear for you, your mouth will never be free of bacteria. It's not supposed to be. The bacteria are part of your oral cavity and will most likely not cause much harm either. But the kind of smell they produce by releasing the trashy, smelly sulfur compounds is hands down puke-worthy. Therefore, it is necessary to clean your tongue along with brushing and flossing regularly. Are metal tongue scrapers the best? We think they are because they effectively scrape the tongue and remove the yellow-greenish gunk on it. This is known as the bacterial biofilm. You could use your brush, but it does not have the same scraping effect, and thus less of the biofilm is removed. With a metal scraper, you can actually see the yellow biofilm being removed. Smell it, and you'll be shocked at the atrocious malodor. The best procedure for cleaning the tongue. Get a metal scraper and place it on the back of the tongue. Move the scraper in a forward motion. Lift it up and place it on the back of the tongue once again, then scrape it forward. Repeat this about 10 times and wash off the gunk. Repeat the steps until no more yellow biofilm can be seen on the tongue and scraper. What if you have a strong gag reflex? If you don't already know, the gag reflex is the contraction in the back of your throat that's triggered by an object that touches the roof of the mouth or the back of the tongue. It's a protective response to keep you from choking. However, some people do experience stronger gag reflexes than others, and it's not possible for them to have a foreign object go even near the back of their tongue. Here's some tips and tricks that you can try to stop yourself from gagging. Instead of reaching the back of your tongue first, start by scrubbing the front, slowly making your way back. Go as far as you can till the gag is induced, take the tool out, and then relax. Start doing it again while periodically running your tool under hot and warm water. Make sure you're breathing through your mouth. This also helps greatly. If you're not able to keep your tongue out and you're gagging as soon as the tool hits the back of your tongue, try distracting yourself with other thoughts. Maybe start moving your free arm in the air or pinch your ear with it. The gag reflex is purely psychological, and this is a great trick. My breath still smells even after a tongue cleaning. Tongue cleaning can solve the issue of halitosis or bad breath for most people, but it is possible that your breath still smells despite the tongue cleaning. If this is the case, consult your dentist or doctor, especially if the white patch on your tongue is thick but scrapes off easily. That's an indication of a fungal infection. The white patch on your tongue is thick and won't become lighter, or you have a toothache or swollen gums with a sinus abscess constantly releasing pus. In that case, the bad breath is associated with a tooth infection. You have sinusitis. Go to an ENT and rule the treatment out, as constant sinus drainage also causes bad breath. You have constant dry mouth. This could be a symptom of an underlying condition like diabetes, hormonal imbalances, hypothyroidism, mouth breathing, mumps, or sleep apnea. It's important to rule out the cause to be able to better treat it and achieve both good health and breath. You have a gastric disorder such as gastroesophageal reflux disease or GERD, in which the stomach acids constantly reflux back. This not only causes erosion of the teeth, but it's also a sign of bad breath. You should see a gastroenterologist. Hopefully you know the importance of keeping your tongue in tip-top condition. Just follow the tips in the video and you'll have a healthier, fresher tongue at your disposal. Thanks for watching. But before you go, please subscribe, share, and comment. Thanks, and see you soon.